The ruins of Old Sheldon Church are located in Beaufort County, South Carolina, and are a hauntingly beautiful testament to the region's history. Once a place of worship, the church now stands in a picturesque decay, drawing visitors with its serene atmosphere and architectural remnants. Built between 1745 and 1753, Old Sheldon Church was originally known as Prince William's Parish Church. It was an Anglican place of worship named in honor of William, Prince of Orange. The church's design reflected the classical Georgian style, characterized by its elegant symmetry and stately proportions. Tragically, the church faced destruction twice. During the American Revolution, British troops burned it down in 1779 as part of their campaign to quell colonial resistance. It was later rebuilt, only to be set ablaze again by Union soldiers during the Civil War in 1865. Today, all that remains of Old Sheldon Church are its weathered ruins, surrounded by moss-draped oak trees and a peaceful cemetery. The stone walls, towering columns, and arched windows create a captivating scene, evoking a sense of both strength and vulnerability. The ruins have become a cherished historical landmark, attracting photographers, history enthusiasts, and those seeking a serene and reflective setting. The site is open to the public, allowing visitors to explore the ruins and wander through the cemetery, where weathered tombstones reveal the stories of those laid to rest. The atmosphere at Old Sheldon Church is one of tranquility and contemplation, inviting visitors to reflect on the passage of time and of the resilience of the human spirit. The ruins of Old Sheldon Church serve as a poignant reminder of all the cycles of destruction and renewal that have shaped American history. They stand as a testament to the enduring beauty and cultural significance of the past, inviting us to connect with the stories of those who came before us and appreciate the architectural legacy they left behind.